Hello, environmental science. So I'm making this video because it's an on-demand day and you guys are doing your first media day assignment. We do these a couple times in every unit because environmental science relates so much to often what is in the news or happening in the real world around us. So if you go to this assignment in Google Classroom, you'll find this media day sheet and it's your copy. You can type directly into it. And there will always be a different big question up at the top, and that's the question we are trying to answer. So the big question here is, was China's one-child policy a good idea to help slow human overpopulation? And then on the assignment, you will also find two different readings, one on humans and carrying capacity, and another on China lifting its ban on the one-child law and allowing people to have two children. So what you're going to do is right here where it says media, you'll put the title of what you're reading. So you'll notice there's two sections because there's two articles. And then the first thing you're going to do is say, do you think this is fact, fiction, or opinion? And the easiest way to do this, since we're online, is if you just want to use the highlighter tool and say, I think this is fact, you can just highlight it as your answer. And then you can do the same thing here where it says circle evidence that supports what you said in question one. So like, what parts of the article can you use to support the idea that it's fact? So again, I would just use the highlighter. And then, for example, if it was from a textbook, that would be a really easy example to know that this is a fact-based thing. Or if it has quotes from educated people in the field, that's another great example that the article is a fact-based article. And then after you've actually read the article, you're going to list three things that you learned and three questions that you have. You'll do that for both articles. Again, the one on humans and carrying capacity and the one on the China one-child policy. Then, once you've read the articles, you do a quick CER. Remember, we practiced these last week in our live session. So the question you're answering is this one up here. Was China's one-child policy a good idea to help slow human overpopulation? So I'll just go ahead and put that down here to remind myself that that's the question I'm asking. You'll make a claim based on what you read. Then you can have evidence from the readings and evidence from what we've learned in class, and then use your reasoning to explain why your evidence supports the claim. All right? 2 articles and a CER to complete our media day. We do these a lot, so get comfortable with this and email me if you have questions.